What if I told you that one wrong decision here could cost you thousands and waste months of your time? Hey everyone, Umar here. Today we are tackling the number one question new Amazon sellers ask. Should you start with a niche or go broad? And guess what? I have got a secret strategy that combines both. So in today's video, I will tell you about the biggest lie about niches and Amazon algorithm and three-step method to test the product. It's risk-free. So stick around until the end because my friend Zeeshan, Amazon FBA expert, will be jumping on the live call and reveal his game-changing tip. So start the call. Hey Zeeshan, welcome on board. Before we dive in, can you please introduce yourself to the audience?
Hey Umar, thank you for having me in. So this is Zeeshan. With our 6 years of experience in Amazon Marketplace, specialize in helping brands and sellers scale their business through strategic optimizations and data-driven insights.
Great. All right, let's start with the basic. If someone is just getting into Amazon FBA, should they go broad or pick a niche right away?
Okay, so it mostly depends on budget. If you have a good budget, then we suggest always go broad, pick multiple products, and finalize one or two after a good one. But if budget is something you are not good at or you don't have enough budget, then we suggest to go on directly to the niche, finalize one product, go hard on it, and make it a success.
Okay, that makes sense. The next question is, if someone is completely new, right? So would you still recommend starting broad?
Okay, so the best would be to go broad, pick 3, 4, 5 different products or as many as you can, not more than 5, 7, and invest on those. And let's see which is the best one out of all. And the ones that do really good, makes you profitable, keep those. And the ones that are just doing okay, just sell the inventory off. And if they're not enough profitable, you can kill those.
Right, that makes sense. So now let's talk about the Amazon's algorithm, right? So many sellers think a niche store will automatically rank better. So is that true?
Not really. It's not about the algorithm supporting any niche. It's just like if your listings are in a really good health, they're properly optimized, the titles, the bullet point, the imagery, the A+ content, if everything is really good, that will improve your click-through rate and conversion rate. And once both of these things are really good, you are getting good views, Amazon algorithm will always make you a better ranked site.
Right. So would you say focusing on optimization matters more than whether you are niche or broad?
100%. I mean, optimization is the first thing. The better click-through rate, the better conversion rate you have, the better chances of getting success on Amazon.
Right. So my next question is, managing an FBA business is not just about selling, right? It's about handling inventory, suppliers, and market, right? So what are the key challenges in each approach?
Yeah, I mean, this is the most important question out of all because maintaining the inventories at FBA is very important. You cannot have overstocks because when you have overstocks, you have to pay tons in terms of fees, the late storage fees, the placement fees and everything. And if you are low at inventories, then the danger of getting out of stock. And if you get out of stock even once, all the ranking and everything is gone. So that is where I believe you should have some expert that has really good optimization skills related to inventory forecast and everything. Maintaining right inventory is very, very, very important. And the other thing, the right supplier. So if you do not have the right supplier in the back end, you cannot be a good and a successful seller on Amazon.
Right. So the next question is about decision, right? So for those who are watching, so if they are still confused about which strategy to choose, so how they can decide?
Okay, so as I mentioned already, if you have enough budget, decent amount of budget to spend on Amazon, select multiple products, try to make them successful. If all become successful, nothing better. And if even half of them are successful, You can keep investing on those, and that will make you a good seller on Amazon. Instead, if you just go with one product and you start getting a lot of negative reviews, or your prices are not good enough, so chances of failures are very high if you just go for the one product. So you might feel or face failure at that time, and you won't have anything in the backup. So multiple products will always give you a backup plan A, plan B, and C. So I suggest going with multiple products.
Great points, Zeeshan. So data-driven decisions are a game changer in Amazon FBA, right?
Exactly.
Right,
100%.
right. Okay, all right. The final question: if you had to choose one strategy for a brand new seller, which would it be?
I would suggest to go with the broad one.
Right. So there you have it, guys. With right strategy you are using for Amazon FBA. So drop a comment below if you have any question. So if you find this helpful, so don't forget to like the video or subscribe our channel. Thank you.